What's going on, guys? Today is May 27th. Yeah, that's my little doggo right there. That's my dog. You guys haven't met him yet, but I am going to post a video soon enough. But this video is going to come out before that video, even though that one's in the past and this is more current. But May 27th, it is 1:49 a.m. as we speak, and I get up at 4 to go on the road. Good morning. If you guessed if I would have left on time, you are totally incorrect. I'm sorry. I didn't go to sleep until 4 a.m. I was thinking about everything, if I had it all in order and check and blah, blah, blah. I know excuses, but this is the truth. But I haven't set sail yet. It is a 1,241 mile drive. It says that I'll be over there at 1:50 a.m. Now keep in mind, Texas is 1 hour behind North Carolina. So it's actually 8 a.m. in North Carolina right now compared to the 7. So yeah. If you're checking out the vibes in this car, my bags are back there. That's my bag. That's my laptop bag. Over here, refreshments, obviously power and charging station. Always wear comfortable footwear whenever you're going on long drives like this. So whenever you're driving and your feet get tired, just boop, pop them out. So that's a little tidbit of information I have for y'all. If you're ever doing long distance traveling, you have to have comfortable footwear. It's just compulsory. My first tank of gas that I got yesterday, it cost me $16.41. So we will see how much. That's what I just crashed into that. I crashed into my own car. But we will see at 155 per gallon. And I got 10 gallons. It cost $16.41, and that's to the brim. So we will see how much it costs to get from Texas all the way to North Carolina. So that's on the view side. Officer of the law just passed by and he was staring at me, but I'm not doing anything illegal. So once we get on the road, I'll give you guys updates as I go, but for right now, let's get it, guys. I'm ready, but I got some hours of sleep under my belt starting at 4. Yeah, sure, I slept at 4 when I was supposed to wake up, but 4 to 6:30, 2.5 hours of sleep, not that bad. I've driven longer distance on much less, and I'm going now. It's going to be an 11-hour shift driving as far as I can, obviously filling up tank of gas and filling up my belly as we go along, but we'll see how it goes, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in again. Thank you very much. So I'll keep you guys in the loop. See you guys in a couple of hours or something like that. See ya. Alrighty. I forgot about the copyrighted music part. I have to use the bathroom after drinking all that coffee, obviously. It's troublesome traveling while COVID is available. It's very troublesome doing that stuff, cause Well, finding a restroom is very interesting. And a lot of places require you to have masks. Obviously, I have a mask, but no bathrooms made it a very complicated situation for me. But while I'm over here, I'm gonna give you guys another travel tidbit. Is whenever you're driving long distance, the best tip I've ever learned while driving a lot of miles and all over the United States is whenever your car's tank gets close to or is at the halfway marker, so right there, almost halfway, go and fill your tank of gas. I know. Oh, I have another half tank of gas. But think about it this way. Stuff happens on the road. People get in accidents. Unfortunately, people do. And distracted driving, blah, blah, blah. All that stuff comes into factor. And you don't want to be hours away from home, stranded, because that is a very hopeless feeling. So, guys, whenever it's just like at half, go ahead and fill up, because you'll be thanking me at the end of the day for this tidbit of advice. Just made it to Louisiana. I'm out of Texas now, guys. I'm in Georgia. My room number is that. Alrighty. Then here we have that. Okay, good. And wow. Here we are inside of the hotel room. So, it's not that bad. I'm tired. I like this. I like this little setup they have. That's cute. I'm going to destroy it with a nice warm shower. But that's tomorrow. I'm just gonna crash and go to sleep. I do have my toiletries, so I don't care about that. They do provide toiletries as well. Well, not all of them, but, you know. All of them. Besides for a toothbrush. You can order that. You can just ask them at the front desk and they'll give you one. But I have my own toothbrush, so I'm not gonna worry about that. That's what's in there. I haven't the slightest clue why I have two beds. In case I get tired of one bed, I have the other bed. This was cheaper than the single bedroom. So this is what I went with. Food. Mini refrigerator. That is my stuff that I already brought with me. McDonald's again. Coffee machine. Little pleasantries. But yeah. It's not the biggest TV, but it'll do. I don't care. All I care about is sleeping on righty or lefty or righty. I don't know which one. Depends on how much capacity I'll have after eating to move. If I have a lot of capacity, I might adventure over there. From there, I might adventure all the way over there. If I don't have much capacity, then I'm just gonna sleep over there. But yeah, I trust these people. They have really high standards for cleaning. That's why I chose this place instead of all the other hotels down the road from here. I'll also show you guys what the address is over here, so that in case you guys want to ever come by. I am still in Georgia. I'm near the borderline of Georgia and South Carolina. But that is the address I am at right now. Yes, I share my location and I send my address to those that need to be updated with my address so that they know I'm safe, especially if I'm traveling alone. I'd rather prefer to be safe than sorry. Yeah. I don't have any doubt with the cleanliness of this place. I don't care about the carpet. I have slippers that I wore this morning, and I have even more comfier slippers in my bag, so I'm not worried about that at all. I am just gonna go to sleep now. Alrighty guys, well, thank you all very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Part 2 is coming soon. Just stay tuned. For me, part 2 is tomorrow. For you guys, it's coming soon enough. Thank you all very much for watching on this extremely long adventure. Ciao.